The impossible is finally done. Apple has finally ascended to a level that no other phone has achieved so far. The mega design improvement with the iPhone 15 Pro series is actually happening. It will get them closer to their eventual dream iPhone design for the future. But this is the big step that they can take for now. The iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max will be the first display on a smartphone to have record-breaking 1.5mm bezels. This will be the thinnest bezels on any phone out there, according to Mark Gurman. This is made with a brand new technology that's called as LiPo, which stands for low injection pressure over molding. This is a completely new technology, which is the reason why Apple is achieving these record numbers for comparison. It is a big drop from the 2.2mm chin on the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the 3.6mm chain on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Even through Samsung is the one that's making display for the iPhone 15 series. Still, Apple is the first one to push this boundary. Perhaps it's time for Samsung to really think about their cost-cutting strategy. There were absolutely no reason for Samsung to have a 1800 nits brightness on their S93 while giving a brighter 2000 nits display to the iPhone 14 Pro series last year. So something don't make sense. I feel like Samsung has to step their game up, but let me know what you think about it in the comments section below now. Along with the display, Mark Gurman has confirmed that iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max will be the first iPhone to feature titanium material for their sign design, making them less finger-prone compared to the 14 Pro series, while also improving durability, making the device overall lighter and more premium. Plus, in case you don't know, USB-C is fully confirmed, along with the new action button, which can be customized for up to 9. So that's all the news. Subscribe for the latest news.